Hi everyone, Vicente here. So Kartik and I are very excited to showcase to you the features that we've been rolling out to our pro users over the last few days. The first thing that I want to talk about is you may have noticed on AI Drive that now there's a couple new columns here. There's this one title and an author one here. And if you hover over it, it will say the information in this column was extracted using AI. And so let me show you what that does that mean here with an example. So I have some papers that so these are research papers that I downloaded from the archive website and also from a conference website. So I'm going to drag them over here. And you can see in the upload here on the right corner that the names of these files as they come from the website are really pretty bad. They're just numbers. But then once it completes the upload, you see that we start actually automatically extracting important information from these files, right? So we're extracting the title for the file, so you can see it's filling in, and also the authors of the paper, right? So you have the name of the authors here, and I'm just going to do a quick refresh here because we even have the last one. Yep, it's there as well. So now you have a much more descriptive, title for this file. You can even come here in the view details. There's this little eye icon here, and you can click on it, and it will give you like a rundown what's in this file. So this is the title, these are the authors, this is a research paper, and this is what the paper discusses, right? It's all selectable, so you can copy this little index card and take with you. So this is like super asked for feature from our users, because some people are even like writing Python scripts to rename these files. Now you don't need to do that anymore. You can also edit these columns, as you can see here on the upper right corner, and you can just add, document type or the description to it. There's also like a nifty little thing. If with the description, you come in here and you can just hover over and you can scroll up and down on the description itself. So you can just come in here and scroll on the description or select if you want. So that's great. And it works actually for different kinds of files. So showing research papers, but I'm going to show you something different now. So I'm going to drag these other files here, also super poorly named. These are Supreme Court decisions. And the way that they come from the Supreme Court website is that actually they look pretty, kind of like you can't figure out what this means, right? And again, it's filling in. I'm going to do a quick refresh here, and we should have almost all of them, and they're completing. But you can see that now the title is like pretty much what's in that case. So I'm gonna just click on this one here, for example, and we see this is a Supreme Court, and then it's Santos Zachariah versus Garland, right? And if we go look at what we extracted, that's what it is about. And then you can come in here. Oh, okay, this is a case between this person and Garland and Judge Garland and so forth. So you have all of that information there. And we have been testing this with different kinds of documents, but if you have a different kind of document that you want to test, please do, and let us know how well it does. I'm going to bring some other kinds of documents here. These are from the IRS, and as we're going to be able to see here, so they're coming up. Let's see where they are. Here at the bottom, I'm going to just do a quick refresh. We should have them already here. So some of them are coming in. So from the Internal Revenue Service and Form 2553, this is what it's used for. So that's great. You can do all of that. And you should be able to also go and search. For example, I'm going to search for this decision here by the name of Percoco, and there it is, right? So that's our data extraction. Let us know if there is any kind of data that is pretty common in your industry that you would like to extract. And one more thing that we will have to show to you guys here. Let me pull a different kind of file. Actually, let me show it here first, which is sometimes users have these files that, like in this case here, is just a copy of a book, and it's not even searchable. See, I'm trying to kind of select the text, and you can't even search because it's just like a photo of a document, and they save that as a PDF, and that's not going to work with AI PDF or any other talk to your PDF product. But now it works for pro users because we have implemented OCR, or optical character recognition here. So we use, again, like a vision model to be able to come and do this. So let me just pull the file from here over here, and we should see this file coming up. Let me just look for it. Yeah, as you can see, the file is being processed here, and you're going to see a different icon that's going to show up because we're going to recognize, you see this, like the scanner there. So it says file OCR in progress, and this may take some time depending on the size of the file, right? So bigger files may take some more time. So it may be running for a little while. In this case here, I just put just one page, so it should be able to complete relatively quickly, and then we should be able to show. But this is kind of one other capability so that you can really bring all your files into AI Drive. It doesn't matter if they're scanned, photo, PDFs, any kind of PDF. Our goal is to be able to process that. You see now it's finished, so it says OCR, and I'm going to just click on the file here, and now the text is all selectable, right? So as you can see, and I can even come in here and search for, let's say, I think there is something like Rogers here, something like that. So let's see. Yeah, and then you can search and all of that. And then, of course, this file is ready for AI PDF. So you can just grab the link here like you always do and take it to chat with it. All right, so we're very excited to hear about how you guys are using these features. Let us know. We're definitely looking forward to your feedback. If you haven't talked to us in person or over Zoom, schedule time with us, please. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.